Now that barbecue season's here, I thought we would do a super fun craft today. It's for people that are looking to add a little bit of handmade touch to their backyard barbecue dinner table. So we are going to do some copper wire napkin ring holders. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in. There's not many materials you're going to need today. We're just going to have a round hard cylinder. This is a ring sizer, but I think the last time I made these napkins, I actually used, I think, a carrot grater handle. So something about this size, a little bit bigger, and then some copper wire. I would suggest anywhere between gauges 12 and 16. Today I'm working with a gauge 12, but I have made them before with a 16 gauge. If you're going to use them for cloth napkins, I'd probably use the gauge 12. But if you're going to use them with your favorite paper, fancy napkin, gauge 16, 14, 12, all fine. Okay, so this is a really fun and easy project. The length I'm using for each one is about 26 centimeters, which is just over 10 inches. Okay, again, it's super quick and easy. And all I'm doing is I am taking the cylinder and I am in the middle of the copper wire, wrapping it around once, keeping it as round as possible. There we go, until you have a nice loop. And then do whatever funky designs you want on each side. I'm just going to make a few little squiggles and then do a spiral on each side. And if you're working with a thinner wire, you don't need to have as much wire as if you're working with a thicker wire. Okay, so 2 squiggles on each side, and again, you can decide, and then take your needle nose pliers and do it into a small little spiral like that on both sides. And they don't have to be even. In fact, they're better if they're not even because they look more handmade, in my opinion. People have different views on that. Perfectionists think that they should be exactly the same size. Okay, so, and you can make a different one for each place setting. You can have these spaced more further apart, spaced closer together. This is the first one, and I'm going to actually hammer it just to give it some texture and to flatten it out a bit. So I'm just going to put these on. Stand by. Okay, I flattened it out a bit, added a little extra texture. You don't have to do that step. And then I'm going to take my paper napkin, put the knife and fork in it, and just fold it over itself and roll it like that. And then put the copper gauge above it. So like I said, with paper napkins, you can use a 16 gauge if you want. This also looks pretty funky. And my first one is done. The next one, I might do a little less spacing in between. So I'm going to take my copper wire again. I'm actually going to cut a little bit of a bigger, maybe about there. And by the way, for the paper, this one worked rather well. It fit perfectly. I could even squeeze that closed. So this size was okay for the paper. If you're doing napkins that are made out of cloth, you'll need a bigger cylinder. Okay, I've got this. Oh, I was going to measure it for you. This one is 14 inches, 37 centimeters. Taking the widest part in the middle and wrapping it around. Perfect. And then I am going to make these squiggles a little bit closer together and make more of them. Or maybe I'll make a bigger, no, maybe I'll make a closed spiral instead of an open one this time. We'll do one more, and then this side. Just have fun with them. In fact, it would be better, in my opinion, it's better if they're all different and they're funky. Then I guess then it would be like a dinner party conversation topic. Okay, I'm going to close this even more, and then making this more of a closed spiral than just open. Perfect. And then on this side, the exact same thing or something different. You could even do triangles, spiral kind of triangle. If you wanted, oops, gotta keep this in here. Perfect. And because I hammered the last one, I am going to hammer this one too. Okay, and then take another napkin, roll it up, and add your decorative piece. Now, these are what I made with the 12 gauge wire, and just to show you the difference, I have previously made these with a 16 gauge wire. Just opening them up here. There we go. So these are 16 and the ones on the napkins are 12. Which ones do you prefer? Do you prefer the thicker wire or the thinner wire with napkin holders? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Keep those comments coming.